how to add other coins or token to your blockchain wallet on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. On the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. In here, tap on blockchain wallet. And then in the main wallet homepage, tap on the add button. Next, you can scroll down the list, or you can use the search function to search for a token. So here I'm going to select some random token. So Uniswap, for example. So tap on the add button. And here say ETH account Ethereum will be used for transactions that use this token. So tap on OK. And here it has now been added to the list. Once it has been added to the list, you can tap on it to open it, and from here you can choose to send or receive. So tap on send. When you tap on send, you can choose from a contact from the address book, or you can use the QR code. And then you can enter in the amount to send, and that's it. And to receive, pretty much it will create a QR code and you can send it using the QR code. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.